Y'all, these are my tips and tricks you need to know to dry the most perfect, beautiful Limelight hydrangea. Come up close and let me show you. Number one, you never ever want to cut them like this when they're still new and fresh. If you do that, you're gonna end up with a dried hydrangea like this, and that's not what we want. You want to make sure that you cut them when they're this gorgeous limey color, and this is your clue. Do you see how they have that little tiny red edge? That's when you know, and they feel like paper when it's time to cut. I fill up a bucket, come up close so you can see, about 2 to 3 inches tall. I put a tablespoon of bleach in there. And then, hold on, let me show you. I'm gonna cut it right above this node right there. I'm simply going to strip off all the leaves because that just creates a ton of bacteria inside. Cut it at an angle, put them in here, bring them inside my house, put them in a cool place that's out of indirect sunlight. Let them sit for about 2 to 3 weeks, and y'all, you're gonna have the most gorgeous dried Limelight hydrangeas.